Definitely Yamaha blasters, guys. You don't know what you're talking about. This is a Yamaha blaster. What? Now, this is certified Yamaha blaster, but, and I know what you blaster guys are saying. You're saying it ain't, but it is. You want to talk about reliability? Take a look at this for a second. Two blasters. Green one and the blue one. Blue one don't look too bad, right? It's not even that beatery. Not even that much. What?
That looks like a Chinese.
No, it's a blaster. Oh, because of the racks? Here, come look at this other one. Shot, dude. Electric start blaster? What? What? Is that a blaster or what? Huh?
It looks more like a blaster than the other one.
Yeah, is it a blaster?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
What does the engine say? Ching pow. All right, it's a blaster. Let's listen. Hold the camera. No, I need give it a little throttle. That's a blaster? Or a Chinese piece of China? Let's see. First of all, guys, we're gonna see if it can drop in 1 foot. See if it can take a 1 foot drop. Bad knees. I can take a 1 foot drop. Let's see if this old blaster can. This old big blaster can.
It sounded like it just clapped whenever it hit the ground.
It broke.
It sounded like it.
I think I busted it already, boys.
Yes. It sounded like it when it hit the ground.
This is we're gonna go on a sweet half choke. Look at dudes. Electric start. Freaking Baja. Look at this drive shaft back here, guys. You want to talk about reliability? Take a look at this for a second. It's got a ball hitch on it. Like, dudes, in the front rack. Woo! Yeah! Manual clutch. Let's go full all shot. You alright it? Why are you laughing? Here. See how good a quad I got you, boy? To start out on? Look at that piece of shit. Go grab a helmet, because I know you're gonna... Or go ahead. Just don't do nothing stupid. Hold the clutch. Throttle that piece of crap. Oh, you can't even ride? You don't even know how to ride or what? You gotta get it in the power band, son. It's 2-stroke. Rev her up a little bit. Don't run the battery dead, damn it. Oh, you run the battery dead? Now you're kickstarting it. Okay. Look at this sweet kickstart. Or is that for reverse? Let me see. Hop up, I can start it.
Just everything just, God.
Give it a little shake. Let them hear the suspension on this bad boy. Up, the wheel fell off.
Yeah.
No, yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna charge the battery. I'm gonna clean the carburetor.
It's barely attached. Look how much it shakes.
Oh, I know.
It's like tapping. Yeah.
I'm gonna clean the carburetor on it and get it to where we can give it a fair riding. This isn't fair, calling it a piece of shit. Once we get a new carb on it, then we can call it that.
It's from Japan. I saw a carburetor.
You wish it was from Japan.
That's what it says.
Where? Oh, the carburetor's from Japan?
That's what it said.
Oh. Damn, got an accelerator pump on it and stuff. I'd clean that. Well, maybe this is reverse. This is reverse, boy.
It's like a stick shift.
Yeah, let me see here. I thought all these old Chinese had reverse. Why are you laughing at me, punk? Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all how to start it. Half me, right?
Yeah.
So look, boys, see what kind of carb this is, Bubba. Go show them the carb. What kind's that?
There's no.
There's no carb. Oh, well, it wouldn't matter if you could carb off of it. Wow, that motor sounds collapsed. You see the spark plug wire on that side, or is it gone?
It's gone.
There's just a spark plug?
Yeah.
There's no spark plug.
There's no spark plug?
Put your finger on the hole. See what you do.
Yeah, let me find it.
Well, it's got compression, dude, so. It obviously needs a tune-up, but let me be real with y'all. I ain't gonna help it a whole lot, but I'm gonna give it one. I ain't gonna give it much more power, but I'm gonna give it one. And then we're gonna battle it with the blaster and see how dare they make a bike that looks like one. Now this is certified Yamaha blaster, but, and I know what you blaster guys are saying. You're saying it ain't, but it is. The only difference is you get a pair of these for like 500 bucks. So, and I'm gonna use those on the blaster. I mean, that's about all. I can't really afford some balloon tires per se. Let me show you a couple little. It's a 4-speed. I'm thinking it's cranking out around 3.5, 4 horsepower. It does have suspension. Now, you know, it's a little, it's rugged. I mean, this ain't for, you know, this ain't no Cadillac. This is for somebody who wants to go out and wants to ride now, damn it. It's got a front rack. So, there's that. And some sweet Chinese flames. That's what Chinese flames look like. So, that means flames in China. And you're lucky, boy, because you know what? There was these kids over in rich part of town. You know what I mean? And they was having to ride this when they was growing up. Okay? Not gonna ride the rack? A little bit. Just a little bit. That's just that you know it runs. Here, let me see if I can straighten it out. All right, I'm a bumper specialist today, boys. The back tire came off the ground. Back in. Well, you know.
It's a little crooked, not really noticeable.
It's not the frame, it's just, the real thing is don't put stuff on it. Look at this. Like, guys, when you're out there and you go to buy you a quad, before you get on it, ride it, give it this test. Now, that'll tell you quite a bit. That'll tell you quite a bit about how shitty it is. Get up in there, dudes. Then we're gonna put it against a blaster and put it in its damn place. Old Yamaha blaster gonna have to smack it up, boys. Probably 15 years.
That was the other one.
Same. That one over there? Oh, that's 2004, so 17 years.
God.
They're about the same age. The blaster's a little bit tighter, right? Yamaha's a little bit better made.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely. You know what else?
I've never really seen this.
Oh, I've never put you on a bike that did that, right? No.
No, I've seen like a few dusted bikes evolve, but like this is just like, this is memorable.
Yeah. This is total trash. Nah, somebody's gonna be happy to own it.
Like, you can look at this and you'll see so much wrong with it. The other one, go check the carburetors, or a fly.
Or that'll be your bike when you're grounded.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we go to the trails. That'll make a man out of you. You're gonna have to earn it. It's not just gonna cruise through the sand and the whoops like a Yamaha blaster. Bam, 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 on top of waves, you know, just blasted. This thing's you know, a piece of shit. Well, guys, let's say it like this. We got started off on the wrong foot here. Let's just try and give this piece of crap a tune up and see if it'll run any better, because the carb looks like it's dirty for sure. So we're gonna pull that off, a couple 10 mils, drain the gas tank, put some fresh gas in it, maybe change the plug, and then give it another rip and see. Maybe it'll be better. I'm gonna charge a battery too. So I got into the carb, boys, and she had a dirty idle circuit big time, and the idle jet was clogged, but also the air fuel idle. So I took all that out, cleaned it up, carbs cleaned, accelerator pumps tested and working. So we're gonna put her back together, dudes. I've got some new gas I'm about to put in it. Should be time to rip. Sorta time to rip. There she is after a full tune-up on this piece of crap. Oh man. Look at the friggin' thumb throttle. What a pile. I don't know if my air leak's that big, but it looks like there's a idle screw right here. Maybe I can turn it down. The bars were all the way in. This thing keeps on wanting to strip out. Hold up. That's better. Oh man, there we go. Now it's a Yamaha. You know what causes vibrations? You know what causes all that vibration, guys? It's horsepower. That's what does it. Now she sounds halfway decent. Guys are scared when I show up on this thing in this Yamaha Blaster two-stroke. This two-stroke Yamaha Blaster, and I get out in front of them. They know mine's the newer model with the Dix brakes, and they pretty much know that this is just faster than whatever they're gonna bring. And I'm gonna prove it right now. Gave her a tune-up, fix the throttle. She ain't choked, is she? Nope. Dude, it's ready to hammer down. Let's try a half choke. Way worse. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna screw around. We're gonna delete this airbox, boys, see if that makes a difference. There we go. I went ahead and I deleted the airbox. That's an old Blaster guy tuning tactic to get more power. Blaster guys know. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's better. That's how we're gonna have to send her for now. I need all the power I can get. Well, boys, that didn't help. Now it idles. I mean, it's got that going for it. I figured if I cleaned the carb, it wouldn't squeak as much, but that's out the window. You want to try driving that Raptor? I mean that Blaster? Here, watch me first. It's super fast. Come over here. Watch your ears, okay? How's it sound?
It sounds bad.
Sounds good. I know bad like it's cool, yeah. That's still a thing now. Bad means doing a little side wheel, you guys? That way. You don't like that, okay.
I think you should do it one more time. No.
Take this opportunity to just tell you about it while it's broke down, I guess. Come on. Get me back to the house. Dadgoner. on, you guy. Come on. And push it off into the creek. It ain't got the battery for this, guys. She don't got the battery for that. Dude, it would try and take my tree out. I'm so sick of this piece of crap. Freaking jacking up my stuff, messing up my tree. Guys, it's gonna stay right here until somebody comes and buys it. Give me $500 for it. Starting bid $500, guys, and honestly, it runs. It runs. You seen it? It'll probably start up. Probably. Last time it was running, it was running. I think maybe the battery's just a little dead. You know, it's probably not internal. It's probably nothing on the internals. You know, we should be fine. It's a Yamaha blaster, for God's sakes, boys. You ain't got to worry about it. Whew. Piece of junk. For you looking, y'all know the ATV? That one you see on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace? Adult size. For adults, goes 60 miles an hour, that type of ad. Very fast manual clutch with reverse. And you get on there, that's what you end up with, guys. So you hop on Craigslist and you think you got you a hell of a deal, and you jump on there, you get you one cheap, and you get what you pay for, boys. You get what you pay for. That's why you ride a real Yamaha blaster.